Hi everyone, this is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a big thank you video. As of a few minutes ago, I just broke 1,100 subscribers. I just would like to say thank you all for you supporting my channel and all the years I've been on YouTube. It means a lot, and I appreciate all the wonderful comments I have received on my videos, as well as likes and questions on my Q&A series, and for subscribing to my channel and getting the latest updates. It means a lot. It means lot more than some of you will know. I've been very grateful to have this experience, and uh, I'm just very grateful to have some of you following my channel. And it's just been a good ride so far, and I would like to continue to keep it going. So, uh, for all you guys who've supported me, it means a lot. And when comments come in from you all, it always makes me smile. That I think from reading those comments, I think to myself, I think I'm out there pleasing someone. I certainly enjoy putting videos together. I enjoy learning from all of you, and I have made some mistakes in videos, and I do admit, and a lot of you have um, admonished me of some of my errors very kindly and friendly, and I greatly appreciate that because every comment um, every comment is a good comment, especially if there's an error in it. I take it and learn from that mistake and improve in the next week. So I learn from these mistakes as I continue to improve the channel, and I give that advice to all of you YouTubers. Um, Always improve yourself in every video. Maybe a different editing technique, maybe the way you take a video or take a photograph. There's always ways you can improve. Improve yourself in one area every day, whether if it's excuse me, um, whether if it's combing your hair, improving your bathroom etiquette, improving the way you talk to someone, or improving the way you do your YouTube channel. There is somewhere all of us can improve on. So, once again, thank you guys for 1,100 subscribers. So, I look forward to continue this ride with my YouTube experience. Thank you guys for watching this video and for supporting my YouTube channel the past 4 years, and I look forward to many more. All right. Thank you all very much, and may God bless.